everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. We're going to be kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get puppies, and you get some life in there. I'm Laura if you're new. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I mentioned puppies. We do have lots of puppies. We have Loki the Westie, who's behind me. We have Dexter the Beagle, who's on the floor behind me. We have Willie the Jack Russell, who's my son's dog. And every once in a while, our kitty, Harvey, shows up. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous day outside today. It is starting out cool. It was in the 50s. It's already up to 61 now. It's getting up to 76 today. The sun is out. The sky is pretty blue. It looks gorgeous out. So I'm hoping to get outside later. It's a busy week, so lots to do. I have some videos I want to get done for you. I'm also traveling this week, so I want to try to organize my thoughts on outfits and try to get ahead of it. And for my outfit today, I chose shorts because it's supposed to get so nice out. I have on Daze cutoffs from a Wantable. I have on a Nikibiki tank. Love this little like brown wash tank. Threw on a cardigan from Z Supply as a cozy since it's still pretty cool out. My belt is Loft, and then my shoes I'm putting on my Berks. I got these in a Trendsend. I like the one strap. For jewelry, I have on a Goriana necklace, and that's it. We're off and going. Hope your week starts off awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is a cloudy, windy, but warmer day today. 72, getting up to 77, which sounds amazing. And my Evereve posted today, so I had a fun Evereve haul. I love those pieces. I had so much fun trying them all on. I so enjoyed sharing them with you, and I think they bring some nice spring combinations. So I hope you check that video out. And for today's outfit, I have on a warm weather outfit, which I'm loving. This entire outfit came from a Trendsend, so also Evereve. I have on a Skort from Cut from the Cloth. I have on an Evereve sweater top. Both of these pieces, actually all these pieces are from prior years. And then for my shoes, I have on these fun Dolce Vita wedges. Love those. And then for jewelry, I just have on an Ana Luisa necklace my husband got me, or off to the races. I put on actually have an Ana Luisa bracelet on today too. All right, I got to get back to work. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Feels like Thursday. Right, just got done raining, 75 degrees. 77 was probably a high already hit. And it's been a long day, so it's towards the end of my work day. I'm getting ready to start trying to get packed for tomorrow. So I think I'm wearing the day. It's been that kind of day. And the gang's all here making a mess on my couch, I see. What are you doing, Dexter? Oh, I see what he did. Look at this. He got a toy from outside that's all dirt, like a Chewy, his stick from outside that's all dirty. All right, get off of all of my stuff. All right, nope. Okay. Gross, gross, gross. Let me deal with this situation for a moment. Like, here you go. You get Friday Funny early. This he must have buried in the dirt and has dug it up, and now he has it. Go over there. Okay, now it's all over my couch, and now you can see why I try to keep this whole couch covered. And now Willie just brought it back up. Okay, then. All right. Let's move on. Outfit today. I have on, let's see, AG denim that I got last summer. I have on a Nic Zoe tank, just got in a Stitch Fix. This is a VIgoss cardigan, got in a Wantable last year. And then I have on these little Dolce Vita shoes. You can see I've been wearing them a lot. You can see my toe prints there with the little clear. I'm trying to decide if I still like them, which I do. They're a cute little sandal. And then for jewelry, same as what you're used to seeing. I have on my bracelet stack. I have on hoops and necklace my husband got me. And that is my Tuesday. I got to clean up the couch. I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 4:37 in the morning. I'm ready to go. The puppers were up, but I put them all back so I can escape out the door. Pitch black outside, so lighting is probably weird, but it is warmer. Let's see, 62. It's getting up to 80 today. It's gonna be nice. I'll be inside all day. Oh, all right. So for my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim from a Wantable. I have on a Evereve top, and I just put like a bralette underneath it just because it's like this square neck, and I just want to make sure I had full coverage. So, anyways, a square neck tank from Evereve by Evereve. This Maje jacket I just got in my latest Armoire you're going to see coming up. I love it, love it, love it. This was my favorite collection, I think, yet. I probably won't be able to part with it. It is awesome. I have on a Loft belt and then these shoes from Sarto. I've had them for quite some time. I think I got them in Anthropology a while ago. And for jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa necklaces. I have on my hoops. I have on my bracelet stack, and we're off. We're off. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is really nice outside. So yesterday was absolutely gorgeous. It was so beautiful. I was only outside for a little bit, but it was beautiful. I got so many compliments on that yellow jacket I wore yesterday that I think I'm gonna have to keep it. It's so cute. Anyway, I got so many compliments. So 63 degrees out right now. It's getting up to 86. And my Cupshe haul posted yesterday. I hope you guys check that one out. Cupshe always just does so well. They have so many different styles, pieces, prices are amazing, and I loved what I picked, so check that video out. And for today, I have on, let's see, Daze denim from an Armoire. Looks so good. This is another jacket from Armoire. This one is French Connection. I love it already. Just put it on and I'm in love. I think the color just is stunning. For shoes, I put on my Dolce Vita with the little floral again. I love that pink in there. And my belt is from the Loft. My jewelry is Goriana necklaces. I have on, or no, Ana Luisa necklaces, Goriana charm, and then my bracelet stack. And we're off. Tomorrow's Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. So glad it's Friday. It is, let's see, 64 degrees outside, getting up to 73, cloudy today. For Friday Funny, Loki and Willie, but Loki primarily, gets very excited when he watches television. Very, very excited. And there are certain things, we haven't figured out what, because it could be, my husband could have on the, you know, the channel guide, or it could be a cartoon, and he will lose his mind. So, warning, I'm going to switch over to this little clip of him and how he behaves with the television. You're going to want to turn your volume down. His voice is so piercing, and he's very excited. Enjoy. He's so funny, right? So excited. And he'll do this in the evenings when I'm ready to go to sleep. My husband has the television on, and all of a sudden he sees something and is going crazy. So we're trying to calm him down with the television. And for my outfit today, I have on a Z Supply outfit. Z Supply all the way. I have on a Z Supply tee, you may remember from, I think it was a haul from last year. T-shirt, skirt, and cardigan. And I love all three pieces, super comfortable. For my shoes, how about these fun little Dolce Vitas? The little gold heel, is that fun? And let's see. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and we're off in my permanent bracelets, so we're off to the races. All right, so we have one more outfit of the day this week. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. I'm off to breakfast with my friend. It is a beautiful morning already. It is 68 degrees. It's getting up to 83 today. Partial sun. It's going to be a pretty day. Let's see. My Beachly posted today. This would be the spring Beachly. I'm really enjoying Beachly, but what I find is to get a really great box, you have to catch your customizations right off the bat as soon as they become available. And in this one, I completely screwed it up. Didn't do any customizations at all. So I got their choice items for myself, and it wasn't terrible, but I missed out on some good stuff. So lesson learned, make sure you always note when customization windows are open, which if you haven't done FabFitFun and you subscribe to that, their customizations are open now. All right, so for today's outfit, I have on Pistola denim from a Trendsend. I have on a Michael Stars tank and this gorgeous Evereve little short sleeve moto jacket. Love this one from a Trendsend. For shoes, these came in a Trendsend too. They are by Vince Camuto. Aren't she pretty? Yes, such pretty shoes, right? Love these. And for jewelry, I have on a, I think this is Stella and Dot necklace, the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and we are off. And that's a wrap. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to the item, I will. Many come from boxes. So you're going to see all the box links down below, and I'll let you know which ones they came from. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this week. Hope you can share your favorite outfit or your favorite item. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.